Ever wondered if that trendy fintech company you use for banking or loans could also handle your retirement savings? I'm talking about SoFi. They're everywhere, sponsoring sports stadiums, offering personal loans, and pushing their checking and savings accounts. But does SoFi offer retirement accounts? That's the big question we're tackling today. Think about it. Retirement planning can feel overwhelming. There are so many options: 401k, IRAs, Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs. It's enough to make your head spin. And then you have to choose a provider. Do you go with a traditional brokerage firm? A robo-advisor? Or could a modern fintech company like SoFi be the right fit? Many people are drawn to SoFi because of its user-friendly interface, competitive interest rates on certain products, and generally modern approach to finance. It's convenient to manage multiple financial products in one place. So, it's natural to wonder if they offer a complete financial picture, including retirement accounts. Before we dive into SoFi specifically, let's quickly recap why retirement accounts are so important. They offer significant tax advantages that can help your savings grow faster. With a traditional IRA or 401k, your contributions are often tax deductible, reducing your taxable income in the present. The money then grows tax deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the growth until you withdraw the funds in retirement. A Roth IRA works a little differently. You contribute after-tax money, meaning you don't get a tax deduction up front. However, qualified withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. This can be a huge advantage if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in retirement. So, where does SoFi fit into all of this? The short answer is yes, SoFi does offer retirement accounts. They offer both traditional and Roth IRAs. This is a significant offering and positions them as a more comprehensive financial services provider than some of their competitors. Let's break down what SoFi offers in the retirement account space. Firstly, as mentioned, they have both traditional and Roth IRAs. This gives you the flexibility to choose the type of account that best suits your individual financial situation and tax planning strategy. SoFi's IRAs are self-directed, meaning you have control over how your money is invested. You can choose from a range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds. This is important because it allows you to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. One thing to note is that SoFi doesn't currently offer 401k for individuals. 401k are typically offered through employers, so this isn't necessarily a drawback of SoFi itself. However, if you're looking for a provider to manage both your IRA and a rollover from a previous employer's 401k, you'll need to ensure your previous 401k allows for direct rollovers to an IRA. Another key aspect to consider is SoFi's fees. SoFi generally prides itself on low fees, and their IRAs are no exception. They don't charge annual account fees, which can eat into your returns over time. However, it's crucial to be aware of the expense ratios associated with the specific investments you choose within your IRA. These expense ratios are charged by the fund managers and are separate from any fees charged by SoFi. Now, let's talk about the user experience. SoFi is known for its user-friendly platform, and their IRA accounts are integrated into this same platform. This means you can manage your retirement savings alongside your other SoFi accounts, such as checking, savings, and loans. This can be a significant advantage for those who prefer to keep all their finances in one place. So, who are SoFi's IRAs best suited for? They could be a good fit for individuals who are comfortable with self-directed investing and who appreciate a modern, digital platform. If you're looking for a simple, low-cost way to save for retirement and prefer managing your own investments, SoFi could be worth considering. However, if you're looking for more hands-on guidance or access to financial advisors, you might be better off with a traditional brokerage firm or a robo-advisor that offers advisory services. SoFi's IRA platform is primarily designed for self-directed investors. It's also important to compare SoFi's offerings with other IRA providers. There are many other options available, including traditional brokerage firms, robo-advisors, and other fintech companies. Each provider has its own set of features, fees, and investment options. Doing your due diligence and comparing different providers is crucial before making a decision. In summary, SoFi does offer retirement accounts in the form of traditional and Roth IRAs. They provide a user-friendly platform, a range of investment options, and generally low fees. They are a viable option for self-directed investors who prefer a modern, digital experience. However, it's important to understand their limitations, such as the lack of 401(k) and advisory services, and to compare them with other providers before making a decision. Remember, retirement planning is a long-term endeavor, and choosing the right provider is an important step in securing your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.